Calhoun.
Calhoun. It's race day. This is our first race day vlog. Hi, Drew.
Stop. And tell you where we parked.
Drew, how are we feeling about today?
A little horseback practice.
Yeah. Sheesh. She looked good. Look at her. We're setting up. Here's one tent.
I'm in both
2 tents. Drew's in both tents. We're walking the track. How are y'all feeling?
It's hard to slow down.
Good?
He's saying side to not hit that. Do I hit that? Yes. Everybody
Yes.
say yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's quite muddy.
Dad, you
Cheers.
Oh, look at that. You ain't even let
I've waited my whole life for this moment. They just called out and said that they needed more flaggers. I'm gonna go be a flagger. Okay. What? Yeah. I just taught her. Don't be rude. Of course I know how.
She's on famous on Instagram. Ask Scotty got 3
Me and Paige are drawing. Say hi. I have a flagger meeting at 2:30.
Hi. Hi guys. Say hi, banwicks. Hi.
I don't do that.
Oh, okay, we're gonna go choose what gate we're gonna pick.
Yeah, she's gonna be a flagger for the first time.
Yeah, woo! Okay, so Drew, what's your reasoning behind the gate? Like, why do you want to pick that one?
Well, I'm gonna shot a whole shot and this looks a lot better.
Okay. Charlie, what gate are you picking? This one? Same reason?
It's pretty lined up from the inside line.
Yeah.
Wait, time out. What's that pay? 'Cause I might.
I just used every excuse in the book to get out of flagging. Terrible. 0 out of 10. Never doing it again. I do not recommend flagging.
I need an invention.
Yeah.
When you get your pants too tight, undo them.
Oh, yeah. When you get your pants too tight, undo them. Paige is playing with makeup. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, me and Paige are walking to concessions.
And me.
Oh, and Charlie. We're gonna go get some drinks. Yeah, Paige just had a drink.
Bye. I'm on that.
She drank it all. So we gotta go get more.
I'm on that drink.
We're watching pro motocross. Woo! Alright, I'm teaching you guys a life hack. If you're ever in a motocross race and you're hot, go in the truck and shut the door, and then until you get really hot, so hot that you can't even bear it anymore, and then open the door, and then it feels like it's not even that hot outside. Life hacks. Paigey, where are we going?
I get a pop.
To get popsicles.
You want to get one too?
Yeah, we'll get one too.
Hey, let's get pink.
Pink? Okay.
I thought you wanted a man.
We've got a storm brewing.
42!
Just do a quick pause and then keep going, because I think it's just gonna rain a little bit, and then I think we're just kind of on the edge of a big storm, so really no biggie. And a little rain never stopped Drew, so V's coloring. All right, well, it's downpouring. Anyways, oh. Like I would bring my camera out and ask everybody how they feel about the rain, except I don't want to get it wet. So I'm not gonna do that. But like we can ask them how they feel about it later, I think. But I think we're gonna stick around because we don't really have anything else to do. We were gonna go to the Storks banquet today, decided not to. Oh, lightning. All right, the rain's starting to clear up, which is good, right, Paigey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's definitely gonna be some muddy racing. So 15 minutes ago they said like 30 minutes and then they were gonna start them up again. Can you pose? Give me a fashion show. Oh yes, switch it up, switch it up. Oh yeah, give me another one, give me another one. Oh yes, work girl, work.
I'm gonna be AP.
You're gonna be AP when you grow up?
I'm same year as Adam Cirillo, right?
So you're gonna be like a hybrid between Cirillo and AP? Cool.
I'm a hybrid.
They started the races back up.
Charlie, how do you do this? In the mud, how do you turn?
How do you turn in the mud? Alright, it's getting late. It is 10:28. Charlie has one more race, and Drew has one more race. And then we get to... So Drew's race is starting soon-ish. So they headed over to the line. So now I have to go catch up with them Hey P-shirt. I'm watching the flaggers out here. Glad I quit when I did. Doesn't look fun.
Oh, shit!
Oh,
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
keep going.
Stay up, stay up.
Legs literally covered. Look at my camera. I'm literally, if I had the energy right now, I would cry. Hang on. Look at this. Like, are you even kidding me? I went over there. Shout out to the boys who held my camera for me while I did Charlie's blocks and then offered to give me a ride. Literally, love y'all. So I got sprayed with mud. Literally, look, right smack dab in the middle of my forehead and on my eyebrow. So close.